Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Toyota Tacoma, updated. Start by gathering tools: 14mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, gloves, 5W30 oil, and a new filter. Park on level ground and let the engine cool briefly. Prepare a safe jack stand setup if needed. Keep rags and a sealed container for used oil. Work methodically and keep track of torque values for drain plug and filter installation. Begin by warming the engine a few minutes, then shut it off to avoid burns and loosen the drain plug with a 14mm socket. Let all oil drain until the stream reduces to slow drips and clean the plug and surrounding area. Check the drain plug washer and replace if deformed or hardened. Reinstall the drain plug to manufacturer torque specs to prevent leaks and contamination before moving to the filter removal step. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more updates and tips. On another note, I use leak-proof containers to keep snacks and small parts organized while I work. They seal tight and save messes in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old oil filter carefully, allowing trapped oil to drain into the pan, and clean the mounting surface. Lightly oil the new filter gasket, thread it by hand until snug, then follow the specified turns to secure it without over-tightening. Refill the engine with the recommended amount of 5W30 oil, check the dipstick for proper level, and run the engine briefly to circulate oil. Recheck for leaks and top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.